Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. In today's video I want to talk about diabetes, guys. If you've gone to the hospital and you have type 1 diabetes, you have type 2 diabetes, here is a video for you. Okay, I have someone who recommended this video about a home remedy for diabetes. Actually on my videos in my videos, sorry, I have a lot. Most of those home remedies, they have something to do with diabetes. They regulate your blood sugar level. But in today's video I want to do a specific home remedy for diabetes. So without further ado guys, let's go right into the video. All we'll be needing for this video is just your moringa powder. You can actually make this by yourself, or you can buy organic moringa powder wherever you are. Okay, you need organic moringa powder. So what you do, you just add in warm water into the cup. You want to make sure that you add in just a little bit of warm water, okay, because you want to mix that moringa powder with the water. You add in 1 teaspoon of moringa powder, okay, and then you mix that properly, because moringa powder is actually insoluble in water. Like it's like it doesn't mix well with water, right? That's why you have to put in a bit first, then you mix it very well. When you feel that the leaves have the powder has infused into the water very well, then you can continue. Okay, you mix that very well. Mix that very well. So you can actually add in apple cider vinegar into the mixture. If you have apple cider vinegar, this is the one with the mother organic apple cider vinegar. Okay, and you can also add in ginger. All right, you can also add in ginger. This is optional. You can take it like this. You can take just the drink like this, without the ginger, without the apple cider vinegar. It is going to regulate your blood sugar level. Okay, so you want to add in 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Please make sure you don't add in no sugar, no honey, no sweetener. All right, you take it like that, and you can add in ginger, which is optional. All right, you can add in ginger if you want to add in ginger, or you can just take your moringa powder tea. Just with the moringa tea is going to do wonders. So once that is mixed very well, you just add in your water, more water, okay, and then you stir very well. How to take this drink? You have to take it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, take it before you have your breakfast, and you take it at night before you go to bed. So what this moringa does is, moringa has found to have an insulin-like protein, and which may help to lower blood sugar. Plant chemicals found in the leaves might help the body process sugar better, and it may affect how the body releases insulin, which is very, very important. Okay, if you're diabetic, and at the same time it's going to lower cholesterol in the body. You know, it's going to improve your overall body function. Okay, and of course this this drink right here, guys, if you take it, it's going to detoxify your liver. Like it's going to cleanse your liver, take out all the toxins from your body. So go ahead and have this drink. If you're diabetic, it is going to help you. Go ahead and have this drink. If you're diabetic, it is going to help you to lower your blood sugar level. This is it for today. I hope that you enjoy watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you think that this video was helpful. Do not forget to share this video. It's very important. Share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do not leave without doing so. And of course, turn on the notification bell as well, so whenever I upload a new video, you will get to watch it. For my returning viewers, I say thank you so much for your love and your support. If this is your first time visiting my channel, hi, my name is Gilly James. You're definitely welcome to my channel. Until then guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Do have a great day. Bye.